Hello everyone, traders. Avi from Trading Make Money, the YouTube channel focusing exclusively on binary option trading. Today I will show you a strategy based on the Bollinger Bands indicator. Before, please and let me kindly ask you to like the video and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss upcoming content. Thanks for all. I am trading at PocketOption. You can find the platform and link in the description as usual. Let's get to the strategy of the current video. I will choose the Bollinger Bands indicator today and we will just rely on it. Now I go find a good moment to trade and explain. Here is a good moment, but I will explain at the beginning. We will see the Bollinger Bands lines. You should know that in the beginning, if we see the candle that is below the two lines, and this is very important for trading, so the candle must be below the line when the last line is breached, we will get lower trading. So it is better to get trades after it exits. The candle is from the middle of the lines and it is touching the last line as we can see now, so it will be a good trade. Whatever happens, the risk rate will be 5%, so the candle must have closed below the last line of the Bollinger Bands indicator. If the candle is in the middle of the lines, it will be a high risk, because it may bounce off the lower line, so it is better when the candle penetrates the lower line to get trades. The trades were closed successfully, so we will look for another trade, because the market may have started to reverse, so it will start creating small candles at approximately one level, and then the market will reverse upwards, and now we are looking for another, more guaranteed trade. And here is also a good moment as we see the Bollinger Bands lines and we see the upper last line. The candle broke the last line and the market will continue going higher, so we win our trades, and after that it doesn't matter what happens, and for this reason we will get higher trades. As I said earlier, do not take trades when the candle is in the middle of the lines, so it might be a reflux. As I said, the candle must be above the last line of the Bollinger Bands indicator. The risk ratio will be 5%. And now we will see what happens to the trades. The trades were closed successfully, and today I have made $15,000. As I said, the market is still completing to higher, so perhaps it will continue to the upside. You should be more calm when you trade, and you should choose the right moment to get good trades. My last trades for the day, and this is good. It seems that I have one trade that closed at the same purchase price, but it does not matter that I made enough profit for the day. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to press like and subscribe to the channel so as not to miss any new content.